gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I'm with the master technician Mike doing his magic out here, Mike, and he brought this beast back to life, but I haven't told you guys what happened. Mike is gonna fill us in. This video is basically, we're gonna be reviewing Mike's car, the M6, while he helps me out a little bit on my car, but Mike brought my M5 back to life. You guys don't even understand what I mean. Like, this man brought it back to life. It was dead, but I can't even explain. Let me let him give you a quick walkthrough of what happened to the vehicle. What happened to the car, man?
So basically, he was pushing, how much were you pushing? Like 700?
Like 730, 720.
On a daily, he was daily there pushing
Been
it.
hard, not even regular.
Yeah. So he bent 4 rods, and on top of that, he was getting a knocking noise, tapping noise, thinking he had a rod knock. These are the stock pistons and rods for that F90 M5. Customer was experiencing a rod knock type of issue. That rod knock type of issue was rod bends was tapping against the crankshaft. Piston was tapping against the crankshaft. Rod bends, and the more the piston taps with crankshaft, the more possibility that the piston will break and will cause real bad harm to the motor. Another one right there, you can see, oh wow, bent. Look at that. Damn, brother, you abused it, and it's tapping against right there too. But
The car was down for how many months, Mike?
he was down for 4 months.
Till I brought it to him. How many days did it take? Like
took
2 weeks? 3 weeks, man.
Completed, and then you were able to get it back in 3 weeks running.
Yeah.
No issues. So
No issues. Look,
we
sit
did
it
a
right.
forged build, CP pistons, CP rods, so he's able to push 1,000 horsepower. Got the block back, nice and thick and home cleaned. Stay tuned, guys. 1,000 horsepower. Make sure that the rod is straight. Push it down, it just go down easy. If it went down smoothly, got no issues with the rings. Building Jesse's F90 M5 forged pistons and rods. Got the motor in. Well, she's not in, but putting it in. So anybody that's running stock motors, it's better for just go forged pistons. You're gonna bet the rods, you know?
And is it okay if I shout you out on the video, the Instagram? Because this man, he did it. He brought her back to life. I thought it was over with. But today we're here to review his beautiful M6. And he has an M8 that he's going to be pulling out later on, getting the magic sauce on it. But right now it's just the M6. I came to get my coolant reservoir tank replaced. Because as you guys can see, the BMW problem here, how many times I've changed it, is already leaking up top, but it's not leaking in the bottom. I didn't want any problems or anything like that, so I got it OEM from BMW. A beautiful M6, it's kind of dirty. He wasn't expecting me coming in today. You guys can see the front mount intake. That cold start. That's a beautiful carbon diffuser. You guys can see how low the aggressive setup.
It has the F5 exhaust.
Oh, you guys see that? Beautiful F5 exhaust system. You gotta give me a little rev. Let me get out the way because I know my ears. So you guys can see the engine bays. You guys can see there's a lot of work done to this vehicle. I don't think there's nothing on the car that isn't touched yet, Mike. Tell us what's wrong with it.
Bigger turbo, stage 2 here, plus the top out at 1,100 horsepower.
1,100. So how much are you pushing right now today for today's video?
Right now it's at 800.
800 safe?
Yeah, it's still safe. I haven't really tuned it. I haven't got on there. I just came and fixed it, put it back together. But pretty soon I'm gonna take it to the track.
So a fully forged motor.
Fully forged, yeah, 2 pistons, CPU rod, bigger coolers. The transmission, it has upgraded clutches.
So what kind of fuel are you running on it?
Right now it's on E40.
E40?
E40.
So is this vehicle capable of running full E85 or not?
I have run full 85, no issues. Feels really good, but at startup you get that little
that struggle,
hiccup,
that hiccup
you
start.
gotta turn it on until you get it going right.
Fortunately, the M6 is having a little bit of a finicky problem with the transmission, so we're not going to be running the M6, but it's actually going to be my first time in the M8, so I'm going to get you guys see how it feels. It's actually currently stock, quote unquote, but it has the built forged motor, upgraded turbos, sounds upgraded turbos. I forgot what else he does. He has the exhaust system, downpipe, secondary, primary, and the intake. So it's still gonna be a fun drive. So I'm gonna let you guys know. Stay updated. We're gonna take you right. This is a man of myth from the M6, as you guys see over there, to his beautiful M8 comp. And this man is a man of myth. You're gonna do what's the project for this? Wow, look at that engine bay, guys. Carbon everywhere in the missile. You see, you have the same cooling problem that I'm saying. It feels like the cooling reservoir is like.
It was spinning when I was popping it off.
Oh, okay. So what about this on the M8? Does it have that same problem that M5s have?
The expansion tank.
Expansion tank. Are you ever gonna go with the arcade tuned billet intake?
I wouldn't go because the cap. The seal's gonna be drying out too much because the aluminum tank is gonna get too hot. It's gonna dry out the seal.
So it's not worth it. You just suggest keep getting the OEM.
And don't fill up your tank all the way. You know,
never fill it up
all the way. Let it go. Let it be under the minimum, and you're not gonna have this issue.
Okay. Flaps are made to seem like it's stock, but you can see the intake flaps. Exactly. You have the laser light. So what? So this a full company.
Make it look like low key as possible.
Low key as possible.
You can pull over with front mount ticket.
That's why I was asking you if I could get my hood painted. Look at you. That's.
Yeah, you get, a car with some of those stuff, you are gonna get stay ref and stuff like that.
Yeah, but you're playing it on the safe side. They don't see nothing wrong.
They don't see nothing on stock and boom.
Wow. We got the upgraded carbon anniversary badges also on the vehicle. So tell us what you have done to the inside of this vehicle. Carbon mirror caps.
Carbon mirror, and then I put the
got the Recaro buckets on it.
Seats going.
Wow. Beautiful interior.
Haven't tuned it, but it's gonna get tuned pretty soon.
So when it gets tuned, we're gonna come out and we're gonna review it and get a ride around, right?
Yep. You can go right around right now.
So what made you decide to go with the M8 platform? You know how everybody goes to G80s and stuff like that?
I like the bigger
V8s.
And
so, but what do you think about the G80 platform, like, and all? Because I see that you work on everything. I see the F80s, the G80s, everything. Why do you keep choosing the M8s? Because they tell us these V8s are sensitive.
Keep trying to push it and push it more, A lot of people try pushing it and end up
breaking stuff
and all that. So I'm trying to not break stuff and keep
the V8. All right, guys, we are officially in this sucker. We're about to go. The sound itself is a not stock. I'm sorry. Damn. Look at the boy. He got nervous. He got nervous. Nah, that's Mike. Nah, man. Stage 2 pure turbo normally run like.
For this platform, the F90s M8s, they're going about 8,000, 7,000.
Oh, oh my goodness. 7,000 to 8,000 on the stage 2. We think stage 1 is worth it.
No, stage 2, just go out of it, that's it.
Shit. All right, guys, we got to work and sell more cars or some shit. Something like that. At the end of the day, what are your goals for this vehicle? Like, what are you trying to run 9s? Are you trying to run 8s? What are you trying to run?
9,000,
so 9-second quarter mile, right?
9, I want to go maybe on the 8s. I want to go like hopefully low 6.
Low 6 on the 8?
Maybe like.
Oh, you would do instantly on the M5 when I took it to the track stage 2. I was running low 6, 6 6s.
Oh, 6s? Yeah.
So you would, I think you might even get into the 5s.
The 5.
And on.
Be able to push 1,500. You know?
Perfect.
But other than that, I mean, we put V8. We only push 1,000 horsepower. That's about it.
1,000, that'll be your safest bet, and that's the same thing you tell me. Don't go past 1,000. So when I get the upgraded turbos, you're gonna be installing them, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, Mike, man, thank you so much. Appreciate you. Appreciate the great work you do, man. About to take this beast home. I'm happy. No, I'm not yet happy. I need the turbos. After we get them turbos, then I'll be happy. And then you say build the trans, right, to hold them power.
If you're gonna be pushing it like I know you are, you have to do the trans after.
Perfect. That's the video. I'm signing out. That was the video. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the M6 today, but we're gonna come back and do the M6. But guys, that was the video on the beautiful M8 2021 competition. I'm excited. Hope you guys like and subscribe the videos. We're bringing more content for you. Now that I'm cool friends with Mike, he has a lot of crazy stuff around the shop that he hasn't even showed you guys. The cars he touches and builds that are impeccable. Stay tuned and like and subscribe.